With you, Huda Khalid, the corresponding author of the paper entitled The E-Learning Challenges and the Quarantine Situations as a Vague Neutrosophic Experiment in Telafer University. The authors of this paper are Abdulaziz Ahmed Aziz. He is a professor and the president of Telafer University, and the speaker with you, the administrative assistant of the president, also the author Ahmad K. Isa, Static Division, Telafer University. I would like to thank the UI GreenMetric to give this opportunity in the 7th International Workshop to present our paper. This paper is dedicated to studying the stage that Telafer University has gone through at using e-learning, the challenge of converting traditional learning, classical learning with realistic student attendance in their teaching programs, to e-learning over Google Classrooms. The efforts to maintain the quality teaching and their outcomes were a very ambiguous experiment that led the authors, after more than 2 years, for spreading the COVID-19 pandemic, to evaluate the university's performance using the most modern mathematical tools in uncertainty systems that cover the Neutrosophic theory and logic. Also, the flexibility of the Neutrosophic mathematical methods has been applied to analyze the recorded issued data of e-learning in the university. I will jumping up to the straightforward to the case study, which is an example because of the limited of the period of 5 minutes, really. Let U be the set of 5 scientific departments in 3 colleges of Telafer University as follow. U1, U2 to U5. U1 represents the Department of General Nursing. U2, the Department of Arabic Language. U3, the Mathematical Department. Also, the U4 is the Animals Production Department. U5, the Field Crops Department. We have, in addition, 6 parameters, D1 to D6, be the set of parameters where each parameter is a Neutrosophic sentences involving Neutrosophic words defining which is contains some value or some indeterminate as follow. D1, the percentage of the internet speed for the districts of the students resident, and it was ranged between 0 to 2.69 megabyte per second, depending upon the information that available in the website, which is giving here. Also, D2, the percentage of the students' attendance in the whole e-learning through the studying course. D3, designing the e-lectures and harmonizing them to the principles of pedagogy and set up interactive courses. D4, the percentage of the syllabus coverage through the whole course by the lectures. D5, the procedure that taken to reduce cheating during the performance of students' electronic examination. D6, percentage of student satisfaction by launching questionnaires to measure the students' understanding for the e-lectures. Those parameters are analyzed, and in the table 1, this table demonstrates the performance of all scientific departments using comparison matrix actually in e-learning using Neutrosophic soft sets, and the conclusion of the performance has been demonstrated in table 2. This table we were using the comparison matrix in the Neutrosophic soft set UD, and the giving value are the summation of each row for the above comparison matrix. The third table was the score of each object UJ, U1 to U5 really. These values illustrate that The best performance in the e-learning was for the general nursing department, which has 27 degrees, while in the second level was for the mathematical department. In the third degree was the department of the Arabic language. It's worthy to note that the Department of Animals Production, which is one of the agriculture college, should review the strategy of teaching and trying to improve it. Really, this practice was ongoing global quarantine situation in the COVID-19, where Telafer University's procedure in converting traditional learning to e-learning faced many challenges in different trends as qualifying the teaching staff, students, and providing an electronic learning platform for the university. Also, identification in spreading the ethics of the e-learning. All these reasons led the authors to use the most modern mathematical logic that named the Neutrosophic theory to analyze the data which has been collected during the period February 2020 to present. This article gave the analysis good feedback and deep insight to evaluate the experiment of e-learning in Telafer University. Thank you very much indeed.